securely to avoid any potential shrinkage. If it's practical, remove your furniture, otherwise you'll have to move it around as you clean. Make sure you cover your furniture's legs and casters to avoid rust forming on metal and staining the carpet. Pre-treat heavily soiled or stained areas with pre-spotter, following the manufacturer's instructions. Before cleaning your carpet, vacuum it first to remove any loose dirt or pile. Remove the unit's front transparent plastic cover. Remove the soiled water container from the front of the unit and rinse it out to remove any remaining dirt. Use this container to transport the mixture of water and cleaning solution to the machine. Mix 1 measure of cleaning solution as marked on the container with 2 gallons of clean hot water in the soiled water container. Make sure the water is not hotter than 60 degrees. Fill the rear clean water tank with the mixture. If you spill a small amount, wipe it up immediately. If you spill a large amount, stop and contact your local HSS hire branch for advice. Replace the empty soiled water container in the front of the unit and put the transparent plastic cover back on. If your cleaning wand is in 3 parts, pay attention to the following assembly instructions. Loosen the lock collar on both the trigger section and the floor piece. Insert the alloy tube into the end piece, ensuring the small diameter internal tube lines up with the nipple inside the end section. Once correctly lined up, push the tube fully in, then lock in position by turning the lock collar fully anti-clockwise. Repeat this action on the remaining end piece. Now you can connect the flexible vacuum and solution supply hose to both machine and cleaning wand, or to the upholstery cleaning head. But please note, the machine will not operate if these are attached incorrectly. Plug the machine into a 230 volt, 13 amp RCD protected power point in a different room and switch the supply on. There are 2 switches on the side of the cleaner. The switch on the left controls the vacuum motor and the one on the right controls the spray pump. Switch both on. Then, starting at the furthest corner of the room, pull the wand slowly backwards over the carpet. Squeeze the trigger to expel a mist of cleaning solution. Use overlapping strokes to treat about 1 square metre at a time, lifting the cleaning head and releasing the trigger at the end of each stroke to refill the nozzle with water. Avoid over-wetting the carpet to avoid shrinkage. Never spray any part more than twice. Go over the same area without squeezing the trigger to suck up the dirty water. Continue until no more water is visible rising up through the transparent head cover. Then move to the next area of the carpet. If the cleaner stops spraying, or if foam liquid emerges from the exhaust, switch the machine off and unplug it. Remove and empty the soiled water container, rinse it out thoroughly and refill the rear clean water tank. When you've finished, switch off both vacuum and spray pumps. Disconnect the vacuum and solution hoses from the wand and put the vacuum hose into the clean water tank. Switch the vacuum on to suck any cleaning solution into the soiled water container. Switch it off when it's empty and disconnect the hoses from the machine. The soiled water container can now be removed and emptied down a drain. Finally, unplug the machine from its power supply and allow the hoses and the wand to drain. Neatly coil the cable and place the hoses into the cleaner ready for return to your local HSS hire branch. Leave your windows open to help dry the carpets, but don't turn the heating up.